In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar in just a few simple steps. If you're anything like me, you probably want quick and easy access to your favorite web browser without having to search for it each time. So let's jump right into it and make your life a little more convenient. First things first, we need to access the Start menu. To do this, you'll want to locate the Windows icon, which is typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on this icon will open up the Start menu, a central hub for accessing different apps and features on your Windows computer. Once you have the Start menu open, it's time to locate Google Chrome. Now, this part is quite straightforward. Simply start typing Google Chrome right into the search bar that appears at the bottom of the Start menu. As you type, you'll notice that suggested results start to populate, making it easier to find what you need. Now, if you've done everything correctly so far, Google Chrome should appear in the search results. Here comes an important step. You'll need to right-click on the Google Chrome icon. By doing this, you open up a small menu of options related to Chrome. These options can range from opening the browser to accessing recent tabs, among other things, but what we're interested in here is something else entirely. From this menu, the option you want to select is Pin to Taskbar. By doing so, you're instructing your computer to create a permanent shortcut to Google Chrome directly on your taskbar. This means that the next time you want to access Chrome, you won't need to go through the Start menu or search for it again. Instead, you can simply click on the Chrome icon right from your taskbar, and voila, you'll be surfing the web in no time. And just like that, you've managed to pin Google Chrome to your taskbar. Now, you should see the familiar Chrome icon right at the bottom of your screen, always available for instant access whenever you need it. This is a great way to streamline your workflow and ensure you're never more than a click away from your go-to browser. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and feel free to leave any comments or questions down below if you need further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and tricks to help you navigate your computer with ease.